What is HTML? HTML is language widely used to design web contents for internet. HTML is a tag-based language. A complete tag having an opening tag and a closing tag is known as element. Go to new file. Let's first save it. You can also click Ctrl+S or go to file and then save your file name. Let's say first web page.html. Click OK. Enter. Write first tag HTML. Close it. Within HTML write heading. Heading contain file that does not display in the browser. It's used to give instructions to the browser. Then you write title. This is title of the page. Then write body in after heading tag. In body write a heading. H1 you can also use it. There are 6 heading tags. I'm using H1. This is heading of the page. Write some paragraph. Use p tag. Hello world or something like. This is my first web page. Let's save it. Ctrl+S. You can also go to file and then save. Here auto save is on, so this is already saved. Copy path, open your browser and paste into address. Click enter. Yeah, this is the first website we build. This is title of. If you're not subscribed, click on subscribe button and don't just subscribe, press the bell icon so guys you don't miss any